Here's an old 4-ton Gibson, I think. Yeah, it's a 4-ton. An old 4-ton Gibson. Mars coupling, recipro, compressor, Mars fan motor, and yeah, guys. It's 40,000 BTS, 4-ton. Huh. Oops. Oh well, it's probably coming out. See, this piece of copper is not kinked. Surprised to see this piece of copper not kinked. This leader brace the joint up here, or it's going into like 3/8, I think. It's the original line set, I think. Hold on, I'm gonna put the armor flex back on. There we go, armor flex is back on. The way it was before. So I got 3 blades and oxidized and that falls off. Huh, someone got the disconnect lid back on. Probably had the guy out, or they did it themselves. So yeah, let's put this back to original standard and let's get out of here. Later. And picture. Later.